Hello everybody. Today we are going to be learning how to do double interpolation via Excel. Here we are going to be interpolating our value of tau c. This is okay. Let's just provide a context for this table. This table is taken from IS 456 2000 design of RCC structures. Okay, and this is the table number 19, which gives us the shear stress of concrete. So we are going to be interpolating for the value of percentage steel for the grade of concrete. So this is a very easy type of double interpolation, but you may apply this knowledge however you may see fit. Okay, first of all, let's type grade of concrete. Grade of grade, just grade. Okay, and we're going to have a drop down list. So first of all, as you are at home, go to data, data validation, and select list. Select the source, move this aside. I've taken my headers as my source and enter. Now I can select, okay, let's try M15. So we'll be checking these ranges, and our percentage steel, let us just give 0.625 so that we may check the average of these values. Okay, and our value of tau c. Okay, tau c. So what will this be? This and okay. So for this, we're going to be using three functions. That is forecast, maths. We don't need index here, and offset. So I'll just explain to you how you are going to use this. So first of all, you're going to use forecast or forecast.linear, and as you can see, you have three parameters, that is the value of x, the known y's, and known x's. Okay, so x, y's, and x's. These are ranges. Okay, so our value of x will be percentage steel, which will be this. So just make it clear, percentage, percentage. So what we'll have to do is we have to select percentage steel in this range. Then our known axis will be this reference here. Okay, so this will be our known range of x values, like this. So for this, I'm just going to type H11 to H13. Okay, like this. This will be our range. So what will be our range of y values? Okay, now this is difficult because we have one range of y values, second range of y values, third range of y values, and so on. So we are going to use a function that will provide a range first. Okay, it will have a result as a range, and to specify how many number of columns we must shift. So shift one row of columns, one column, two column, three column, and so on. So how will we go step by step? So we're going to match this grade of steel with this array of headers, and you are just going to learn with me. Okay, so offset, and we have our reference. So we might just provide a single cell as a reference, but to make things easier for me and as well as for you, we can select this as a reference. Okay, so we don't need to specify the size of the range of y values because it will be the same as the reference. Okay, so offset, and our reference will be this, and our number of rows will be 0 because we have already set the size. We don't need to go through a number of rows like this, right? Okay, so 0th row, and now columns. Columns, we're just going to use the match function here. We're going to look up the value of the grade of concrete. Our lookup array will be our headers as such, and we want an exact match. So just type 0. And we don't need this height and width, so we're just going to leave it empty. We're not going to mess with that. It's saying spill, which is fine because we can select this and click F9 and it gives 0.28, 0.28, 0.35. Okay, so at 0.35 we know that it is giving for M15 and we know that our calculations are correct. So let's type here forecast. Now we are going to go into the main function here. And just for fun, I'm just going to copy this. Control Z. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this like this. Okay. So we're going to use the forecast function or just forecast.linear, and we're just going to have x. Our x value will be our percentage steel. Our y values, I'm just going to copy paste, and our known range of x will be the same as our reference for our y values. Now we're just going to enter, give it a unit in Newton per mm square, and here you have it. It is very simple. Okay, let me just revise for you. We are using the offset function to provide a range of values. The range, we have the match function, specify the number of columns to shift towards the right, and our forecast or forecast dot linear. Sorry, linear. That's it. Okay, I hope you understand that we have used our x value as a percentage steel. Your x value is for what you need the value for. Your y value is where your answer lies, and your range of x values is how you would normally look up the x value if you were doing it by hand. I don't think that can be simplified much further. So thank you for your time, and bye bye.